Hello and welcome to this painting demo. At the moment I'm waiting for a brown painting outside to dry in the sun, and I want it to be really dry so that I don't mess it up with the next layers. So in the meantime I have this piece with this bit chaotic combination of colors on, and I mixed the brown from my other painting, and I just thought, whilst the other one is drying, why not putting some brown on here, giving it some kind of cohesive color, and see what happens. So that's what we're doing now. Yeah, this is brown acrylic paint mixed with a bit of yellow. It is burnt sienna and azo yellow. And this brown looks actually really nice as transparent layers because it's nice and it has a nice color and it's nicely transparent. So we're gonna see what it will turn into when we put it onto this painting. I like how this makes this shine through effect. It really looks like some light is shining through here. It's lovely, like that. I think I'm going to let this part stay. Looks quite nice in comparison to this gold sienna. Of course, this looks not finished or yet. It's like work in progress, and it's allowed to look whatever it wants to look like. That's good. I like how it's putting these lighter parts into some shine. Oh, look, if we cut out colors underneath, it's interesting. It's just paper tissue, which I use to take a bit of the paint off again. Yeah, it starts to be, I like what it does to the painting. Gives it more interest and more of like, it seems to fit better together now. This is just water I spray on so that I can take off the brown a bit better. The corners where I want to take it off. Yeah, I like what it did to it. One step farther with this one. I'm really looking forward to seeing where this one will go at some point. It's gonna be interesting. Lovely. That's it for now. Or not. I'm not patient enough. Here I should put the paint on, wait till it's more dry, and then tape off a bit, but yeah, that's not gonna happen. I don't have the patience. This corner will be dealt with at some later point. Yeah, like it. That's it for now. Going to be interesting. Bye bye.